So I am making this video. So today is 12th of October and the time is 8:44. Again the moisture has came inside the meter. Let me clear this just for the sake of all the viewers from Royal Enfield. So I am cleaning it from a fiber cloth, so you can see it is not going it because it is from inside. It is all over the meter. You can see the few droplets. Let me take a closer look. Yeah, you can see the droplets all around, but it is not with this meter, right? So this is the proof, and you can see the mesh of water droplets. It is coming to the center now. Now with the meter on, you can see the difference is here. It is not going at all. Nothing is happening. So requesting Royal Enfield to immediately exchange this meter, because the bike is also under warranty and it is going to destroy all the digital ICs inside this meter. Meter is getting replaced because of fogging issue. This is the new meter given from Royal Enfield. This is the meter which was having the fogging thing. बहुत छोटी है ये प्लेट, इसके पीछे फिट हो जाएगी. पूरा सॉकेट ही निकलेगा. अच्छा स्टार्ट. Kaya ng TV yan, yung minagay na. हाँ वही मैं सोच रहा था इधर तो सही जा रहा था, इधर क्या तो सही नहीं जाएगा. हाँ उसकी प्लेट बढ़िया से टाइट हो जाए. खींच दो खींचे तो
ना प्लास्टिक की तो होती है, ऑटोमेटिक लॉक हो जाता है ना के अंदर।
अच्छा
निकली थी इसकी।
ये मोड 1 0.1 बी गेयर इंडिकेटर न्यूट्रल सेकंड